Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm here to show the November-December Shots of Life kit. So the Shots of Life comes out every other month. It's geared towards your pocket page scrapbooking, but you can use it for your traveler's notebooks, traditional scrapbooking, and it even coordinates with your flavors of the month. So it's a perfect add-on to that kit to have even more options. This month we have a wide variety of everyday collections, a little bit of travel, family, your home, all the way into Christmas. So are you ready for Christmas? So let's dig in and take a closer look. The paper in the Shots of Life kit are cut apart sheets, but the backs are full patterns so that you can use those in traditional scrapbooking as well as cutting apart to fill in your pocket pages. So starting with Cartabella Home Again, this collection's perfect for documenting your family and your home. It's a little nod from the Magnolia Market. So the beautiful greens, the blue greens, and that country white and the black. So what this one is the 3x4 and 4x6 cut aparts. The back is a black and white plaid. So this one's called journaling cards. From Fancy Pants Good Old Days, we have the 3x4 and 4x6 cut apart. This paper is called Memories. So beautiful country feel, kind of about kitchen, outdoors, fall. You could document so many different things with this collection. The back is this notebook paper in the distressed with the blue and the red lines. And then from One Canoe 2, we have Willow, this beautiful floral kind of outdoor motifs, perfect for documenting every day, as well as with the globes and stuff in here, you could document about travel. This is another fun cut apart that has some different sizes. So we do have the 4x6 and the 3x4s, but then we have these odd little shapes here for tucking in. You could cut this just in the 4-inch or take it all the way down to the 8-inch. Don't forget to fussy cut some of these out for embellishments. The back is that beautiful dark blue-green. From Simple Stories, So Happy Together, we have the 4x6 element sheet. So this has some vertical and horizontal cut aparts. This one is another one that would be great to fussy cut the little houses out and document about your home. The back is a beautiful wood grain with the florals. And then our Christmas collections. So from Cartabella, we have this fun retro Christmas collection called Merry Christmas. So we have the retro Santa and the retro couple doing all of their Christmas things, from decorating trees to under the mistletoe. The back is this garland design with the holly and the Santa in the intersections. Then from Doodlebug Design, we have Christmas Magic. So this is a fun, whimsical, bright collection. And this is another one that has fun sizes. We have 2 of the 3x4, well actually 4 of the 3x4 cards, and then 4 of the 3x8. So these are fun little lists that you can make. So your shopping list, your calendar, maybe your wish list from your kids. The back is the fun colors in a plaid. And then from Heidi Swap Winter Wonderland, we go to the country farmhouse feel. So this one has the fun tag shapes as well as this long strip, as well as these little labels that could be cut apart, and the bigger labels, a calendar, some super cute icons, and the red plaid. And then another fun whimsical collection from Photoplay called Kringle. So this is the 3x4 cut apart. This one's called Happy Ho Ho Ho. We have a Christmas countdown, the little Santa bag with special delivery. And the back is this Christmas Santa gnome on the gray with the white snowfall. So lots of options in this month's kit and cut aparts. So one more look at those. A look at the embellishments in this month's kit. So for Cartabella Home Again, you'll receive the full 12x12 sticker sheet. We have some full border strips, some banners, lots of little word labels that you could use for titles and subtitles or to go over photos. Some beautiful home icons, just gorgeous collection there. From the Fancy Pants Good Old Days, you'll receive a package of the puffy stickers. So there's circles and triangles and hearts and stars. From the One Canoe to Willow Lane, you're going to receive half a pack of the ephemera pieces. So they will vary, but this is what I received. Just a whole lot of beautiful icons, tags, the little frames, lots of pieces to tuck in and embellish. From Simple Stories, So Happy Together, you'll receive half a sheet of the enamel dots. Then on to our Christmas collections. From Cartabella, Merry Christmas, you're going to receive a third a pack of the ephemera pieces. So these will vary among the kids, but you see that beautiful little retro Santa and the couple, lots of little pieces to tuck in for your titles. Then from Heidi Swap's Winter Wonderland, you'll receive half of the sticker sheet. So this is the half that I received. I got some numbers, some word labels, and to and from tags. So beautiful, beautiful collection. From the Doodlebug Christmas Magic, you're going to receive half a sheet of the stickers. So again, these will vary, but all of those cute little whimsical kids and the Santa and the Coco and the candy. And then you're going to receive 2 feet of the red and white candy cane striped twine. So you can see you're going to get lots of embellishment in this month's kit. One more look at your Shots of Life kit for November-December 2019. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the scrap room, and don't forget this coordinates with that Flavors of the Month kit as well. If you haven't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to click that subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.